Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Big Man in the Woods. Now it's a look back over 2021 of my favourite vlogs I've done all this year. And we'll start in order, back at the new year. Whew, seems so far away, didn't it? January 2021, when we didn't know what was happening in the world. My favourite vlog was If Only Leaders Could Earn Badges. I've got 8 adult badges that if we can invent them, these are the ones that I would give you as a scout leader. And basically, this was, we know that Beavers, Cubs, Scouts and Explorers can earn their activity badges that they put on their sleeve. But what badges could a leader earn if we could? Have a check out that one. Got some great badges. In February, I looked at what is Founders Day. We celebrate Founders Day all the time as Scouts. We talk about it. We see pictures online. But what's the point? What is Founders Day? And if you don't know, I recommend you go and watch that. In March every year, we celebrate International Women's Day, and I looked back and looked at all the famous female scouts that we've had, including the Queen. She also went to Scouts with her sister, Princess Margaret, and they started back in 1937. Well, let's not forget the Queen's daughter, Princess Anne. She also was a member of Girl Guides. In April, I did one called How to Recover from Scout Burnout, and I think we've all been there, particularly during the times that we've had lockdown. We're thinking, why are we as scout leaders? Why do we volunteer? And when we're in that low position, how do we get out of it? And I asked some tips and tricks from scouts around the world, and it's just advice when you're feeling low, thinking, what's the point in being a scout leader? Before you quit, watch that video. In May, I did something I'm so passionate about, and it's firelighting. And the biggest mistake I see, not just young people, but even adult leaders doing when they're doing firelighting. So if you're trying to get some more tips and tricks on firelighting, I highly recommend you watch that one, because it's something really simple, but we're guaranteed to get your fire going. In June, I did a vlog called 10 Things I Wish I Knew About Before Becoming a Scout Leader. It got a lot of press, a lot of comments on people going, actually, that's a good point, or what? Check that one out if you're wanting to volunteer as a scout leader, but you're not sure about the ins and outs, the truth about being a scout leader. We see it all on social media, how great it is, climbing and abseiling and canoeing, but what really is it like to be a scout leader? Check that one out. In July, I talked about bullying. I did a vlog called The Patrol Leaders Camp Toolbox, and it was all about getting a glass hammer and a left-handed screwdriver and putting a plug in the tree. All these kind of jokes that we have, standard jokes that we might say to our scouts, go and have a long wait. But is that a form of bullying? Controversial? I don't know. Watch it. Comment below. I'd love to know what you think. So August is a time we normally go away on summer camp, a week away with the Scouts, Beavers, Cubs, Explorers. But we haven't been able to do that. So I thought, you know what? What are those games we love to play at camp? Recommend you watch that one. In September, I returned back from our lovely summer holidays. And the first week back at Scouts, walk into the Scout hut, I got verbally abused by some builders. And it was quite cool just going to the shops. I had 2 people stop me and say, I used to be in Scouts when I was a kid, well done. And then walking past the builders, and guess what they shouted out? Pedo, pedo. November, Confessions of a Scout Leader. It's cooking for our Cubs. The food was so bad that I didn't eat any of it. One evening, me and another leader organised a wide game where I had to hide for a while. I didn't hide. I drove to McDonald's for a burger. Watch that one as I confess about lying about a scout leader who locked us out of the hut. We had to burgle and break in the window. Whoops! And only a few weeks ago, to end the year in December, at Big Man in the Woods 2021, I did one called What's the Point of the Friendship Knot? We've seen it. We see scouts and leaders have this bizarre knot on the end of their necker. But what does it mean? What does it represent? If you have no idea, watch that one. So there you go. 12 recommendations that you can watch for Big Man in the Woods over the festive period. If you're just sitting up late and you're bored and you can't go to sleep, you're suffering with insomnia. That's one way to get you bored and get you to sleep. 12 videos looking back over 2021 here at Big Man in the Woods. Comment below what's your favourite vlog that I've done. Or in fact, what I could do in 2022. Talking about 2022, I'll see you then in the new year. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, all the ways you can say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Have a great one, guys, and I'll see you in 2022 over on the flip side. Take care, have a great Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.